with day bling, like a moisturizer face wash day cream, and it has the markings on it, and it's TSA approved, great for traveling. So to open the cap, this part, this bottom part stays on. You're taking only this top part off. So turn it towards me, anti-clockwise. These are the 4 parts in it. So I take out each. This is what the inside looks like, right? Just a demo. You turn here and you squeeze whatever you want. So that's 1. Here's the next one. 2. So you can add anything you want. I'm just gonna add mouthwash to 1. And if you notice, each is 1 ounce. So 1 ounce bottle, all of them. Alright, 30 mils, 1 ounce. So when you're putting it in, this little section, you want the marking to be facing there, alright? You can put your hand sanitizer in the other one, hand sanitizer. Again, you want this part to be facing here, okay? And it's the same principle. I won't put anything in these, but you can put whatever you want in those. And that's it. Then you put your lid back on. So you can label it. So I know this is my mouthwash, and then you have your hand sanitizer. So mouthwash, just a demo. Turn to my mouthwash, just so you can see. Mouthwash is there, alright? That's it. And then, that's just the mouthwash. That's my hand sanitizer. And that's it. Perfect for traveling.